I'm planning on fully respraying the whole car. Yep, the whole car. Roof, bonnets, doors, sills, everything. I can't wait. The Escort is going to be back to blue today. Can't wait. So at the time of filming this video, it's been 181 days since I started thinking about restoring my Ford Escort, and now it's actually done. It's just over there. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support on the restoring the Escort videos, the comments, the likes, everything, even the views. It means a lot. But it's been a long journey, even though it's not been as long as some people's restorations take, but it's been such a journey. Stressful, blood, sweat, tears, everything. But thank you so much. Let's go and look at the car. So I've just seen the car. I think it looks unreal. It's nice and blue anyway, but you might have noticed that we've got the cutout for the exhaust, but there's no fancy exhaust there. We've still got the standard one back there, but in the next week I'm planning to have a nice chrome exhaust tip there for next week because the Escort's got its first car show, so aye, we'll need it done. Now I've seen the car, I'm absolutely cheesing with it. The interior's still the same in that, but why don't we go on a wee drive since it's back on the road, and Amy's here as well. So let's go. We're in the car now, and obviously I had to drive the car to get it to the filming location, but this is one of the first proper drives, but let's see how it goes. It should still run the same, but it just looks a bit different when you're driving it on the road, but it's still just as stiff and all that heavy steering, but the weather could have been better today. Yeah. It's a bit damp, but we're still having fun. Not that tariff thing. I've noticed since like driving this morning that I've been driving at like max 45 mile an hour on the back roads and that. So yeah, I'm just so scared to drive it now, but still got to be used and enjoyed. Right, we've got about 2 minutes down the road, but we had to take a stop. Grogs, lots of grogs. Let's get dinner. So I've just went and dropped Amy off at her house, and we've done a lot of miles in the car today. We've been quite a few places and that, stopped for lunch and all that, and it's been pretty good. But the weather's not been great. It's been raining on and off all day and the roads have been wet. But I had to go and give the car a clean, like I had to give it a snow foam and a rinse off because I'm so scared of rust coming back. So I've given it a wee clean, and then I'm going to dry it off and then park it up for the day until it's going to its first show next week. The Escort's back on the driveway, so I'm giving it all a nice dry off before I put the cover back on it. I've already went round all the wheel arches with a cloth as well to get any moisture out of the arches. I went under the sills, everywhere that I can to dry it up because I'm so scared to get rust, man. But aye, I'll just keep drying this off for now. Now, unfortunately, that does bring us to the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm so happy that I'm finally able to review this car to you. I hope you have enjoyed the series as well. There's plenty more videos to come on the car, but in terms of restoring it, it's pretty much done. Still got a few jobs to do, like fitting an exhaust, giving it a second polish, and then cleaning it again. Now, what's coming up for the Escort? I've got a big Ford show next weekend at Crail Raceway. It's full on Ford, so the car needs to look spick and span for that show. I can't wait for that. That's this Sunday coming when I'm filming this video. But I've got that to look forward to, so that'll be the Escort's first show. So I'll probably film that and you'll see that pretty soon. But again, I hope you have enjoyed the series. I hope you are happy with how the car looks as well. Thank you for all the support on the videos, it really does mean a lot. Leave a comment down below what you think of the car as well. Give me some feedback or whatever. But please like this video, comment down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new or you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Yes, we got the exhaust done. It's been quite a big journey, but no. Oh my god, I'm thick. It's done, it's on the road. I can't believe it. I'm just about to show you guys. What am I trying to say? So at the exact time they find. It's been 181 days since I even started. Why am I saying even? Just wanted to say a quick thanks to all you guys for watching the videos, for the support. No. I just think, so quick, just quickly before I show you the car, thank you so much for all the support on the Escort episodes. No, oh my god. Since I started thinking about restoring my Ford Escort, and now it's completely done. Oh, I lost my train of thought because I looked at the car.